Hello students, now let us see one problem. That is also problem is from the Narayana NEET book, but it is a general problem student which anyone can understand. So what the problem is there, sigma bond is stronger than the pi bond. Okay. So how can you understand this sigma bond and pi bond in student? From the valence bond theory and hybridization concept, you will be able to understand much more better. But let us read out the slides and then find out the answers. The strength of covalent bonds depend upon the extent of overlapping. Okay, greater the overlap, stronger is the bond. A sigma bond is formed by the axial overlap of the orbital, while the pi bond is formed by the sidewise or lateral overlap. Since since the axial overlap is more effective than the sidewise overlap, greater energy is will be released in axial overlap as compared to the sidewise overlap. Therefore, sigma bond is stronger than the pi bond. What is meaning of this, student? If you talk about, let us see, that is here is sigma bond, and on another side this is pi bond. Okay, so what they are saying, student, it is formed by, that is, head to head overlapping. Okay, so extent of no extents of overlapping is very high, you see, like that. So proper overlapping is there, this is the very proper overlapping. So proper overlapping or strong overlapping, proper overlapping. So if proper overlapping is there in sigma 1, student, so that will result in the strong bond, that is the strong bond. Okay, and if you talk about the pi bond, this is the sidewise overlapping, student, not head to head overlapping. So this is formed by the sidewise overlapping. So if sidewise overlapping, this is the not proper overlapping, this is sidewise. Improper overlapping, improper overlapping. And if it is improper overlapping, student, overlapping, if it is improper overlapping, then what will happen, student? That is the easily it can be break. So easily can be break means it is the weak bond. So now you can read out the again slide, you will be able to understand this much more better. So they are saying the extent of covalent bond depends upon the extent of overlap. Strength of covalent bond is depend on how much it is getting overlap. Extent of greater the overlap, stronger is the bond. Okay, so here if you see, it is the overlapping is much more than the this student. So it is the stronger bond. Next point there, a sigma bond is formed by axial overlap of the orbital, while the pi bond is formed by sidewise or lateral overlap. Since the axial overlap is more effective than sidewise overlap, greater the energy will be released in the axial overlap as compared to sidewise. Therefore, energy of sigma bond is stronger than the pi bond. So this is what all about the answer. Thank you so much for watching, friends.